Hi everyone, Harris here with iDownload Blog. So Apple today announced Apple News Plus, which is a premium subscription to their free Apple News service. And what may seem like them grabbing for new services actually turns out to be what I think, in my opinion, is a pretty cool and affordable, well-priced service. So it is $9.99 a month, and right now with iOS 12.2, which we just made a video about, which you can check out for the new changes, and Apple will give you a free month to try this out. But for $9.99, not only can you use it for yourself, but that includes the family plan, so you can share it with up to 6 people. And that is a really good price, whether you want to split the price or whether you just want to share it with others. That is actually a very good price. Now this encompasses their already existing news application, which has hand-picked curated articles from their staff, from their editors, that will put on credible sources onto your news feed. Now this features over 3,000 magazines.
300 magazines.
As well as popular newspapers such as The Star in Canada, once it goes to Canada, but LA Times, The Wall Street Journal, etc. And these magazines such as Rolling Stone, People, Time, Vogue, Sports Illustrated, all of those wonderful magazines that you see on the checkout lines in stores. You will have access to all of that. Apple says it's over $8,000 a month if you were to get all of these separately. So for $10 with up to 6 people using this, actually seems like a pretty good deal to me. Of course, with this, privacy is a big concern, and Apple has promised us that it does not allow advertisers to track you, so it won't follow you across the web after you read an article, which is awesome. And when you do a family plan, it will allow each member of the account on the iCloud shared plan, to have their own account. So everybody has the ability to set their own preferences, have their own curated articles, etc. So it is not one giant plan. It can actually be 6 individual plans for that monthly rate. Now when you open this up, you have the Today tab, which is basically going to give you your standard news. One thing to note is that there are still ads on this, albeit very limited, but they still do exist, even with the premium service. But I don't think it's really going to be an issue because they're pretty clean and minimal. Then you can hop over to the News Plus tab, and this is going to give you your curated reports. You can browse, you can check out different tabs, different sections, different categories, and you can see all of your magazines, the ones you're reading now, and any recent ones. And when you subscribe to them, they will automatically download new editions. When you click on a magazine, of course, you can go into it, and it's been optimized for your device, whether it's an iPhone or an iPad or a Mac, and you can scroll through, you can see a table of contents, click on images, etc. The only adjustments you can make is the text size, but you can still do that. You can click on hyperlinks to get right into it. You can scroll through the pages, which include the different ads that would be in the print magazine, etc. So it's basically just like you're reading this print magazine on your phone. You can search for whatever you want very simply and easily, and you can browse through recent issues of a magazine, which is super sweet. You can just go back and read an old magazine if you want. Like I said, you can try this out for free on your iOS or Mac device. On the News app, you just have to go in and you can sign up for a free trial. I'm a big fan. I definitely think this is something I'll be keeping. If you're serious about the news, this is a great all-in-one solution for getting newspapers, magazines, and news. And of course, it's going to be beautiful. It's going to be pretty secure, at least Apple's promising so. But the big thing is just how well this integrates in with your iOS or Mac OS devices in the News app. Let me know what you think of Apple News Plus. Is this something you will be getting or not? Leave a comment down below with any questions as well. Thanks for watching.